Anna, I'm curious, who inspired you, who influenced you to become the leader in maintenance reliability that you are today?
Um, Honestly, I think I wouldn't be able to say that it was just one person. If I had to kind of break it down over my life, I would say, my dad helped me he encouraged in me the love of science. My mom, she loves people and she's always been a very compassionate, empathetic woman. And those two things were very influential on me when I was growing up. And then in high school, there was a German teacher that helped me learn how the human brain works and how better understanding that can lead to success in other ways. And then in the field and in the jobs that I've done, there was a gentleman named Dan Haig that taught me how to keep a good work-life balance and how that's the key to get it to any job, right? And there was another guy, I think I mentioned in one of my blogs, Olin Pepple, sorry, that always was looking to better himself, even if that meant going way out of his comfort zone. He started out as a welder, and by the time I was there, he was running stores, and he actually transitioned into the maintenance superintendent. So, I mean, to go that far in the career of 20 years is, amazing and very rare, and it's because he was willing to do that. And then I think the most recent one was probably my friend Charlie Block that taught me that knowing the answer isn't as important as knowing where to find it, or, knowing who to talk to, or just kind of checking it out. Don't be afraid to ask those questions that some people are afraid to ask, because the worst thing that they'll say is no.
That's amazing, Anna. It sounds like you have such a positive attitude. It sounds like you've gone through a lot of different experiences where you got thrown into the deep end, but it also sounds like you've been supported by so many different people that have helped along the way. And I think that's what makes all of us so successful. It's never a one-person show. It's everyone that we've learned from, everyone that we can turn to, ask questions to, and push us to be better.